Hello everyone and welcome back to the cooking stories. In today's video we are going to see how to make egg Schezwan fried rice. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe we need 1.5 cups of basmati rice. You can use regular rice if you do not have basmati rice. I have washed the rice with water for 2 to 3 times and kept it aside. Now heat enough water to boil the rice. Add a little salt and oil to the water and then add the washed rice. Stir and cook the rice. After 7 to 8 minutes you will see that the rice is cooked. The grain breaks easily when pressed between two fingers. Strain the rice immediately and spread it like this in a sieve. This method will make sure the rice does not become sticky. Do not overcook the rice. In a bowl, take 3 eggs, add some salt to taste, and then beat the eggs. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add the egg mixture. Here we are going to make scrambled eggs. So do not let the egg cook like an omelette completely. Keep mixing and cooking the egg as shown. Keep mixing, cooking and breaking the egg into smaller pieces. The eggs are cooked completely. Keep them aside and now let's begin making the rice. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped. Half a tablespoon of ginger finely chopped. 1 small green chilli finely chopped. And saute for about 30 seconds. Now add 1 medium onion finely sliced, 1 capsicum sliced and saute for about 30 seconds more. Do not overcook the vegetables. Now add in the sauces. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, 3 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce or Schezwan chutney, whatever you have. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now mix everything well. Now add in the scrambled eggs. Mix and cook for about a minute more. Now is the time to add the cooked rice. Mix everything well and make sure the rice is well mixed with the sauces and the vegetables and the eggs. Cover and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And after 3 to 4 minutes you will see that tasty egg Schezwan fried rice is ready. This is a very simple recipe, yet it is extremely tasty. Do give it a try, like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.